I'm wondering, can we add PVsyst data directly to this application?
Yes, you can, but not for this module. Remember, this module is you're only simulating the battery part of it. But if you are doing a solar plus storage, so if you come to Clip Energy Storage, there is an option for you to input PV profile. You see that? So that is in CSV as well. So you can just get the 8760 syst and copy that column and put it into the CSV file for Storlytics, and you will be able to access that. So let's say if I select one of the file, so I just selected a file and you saw it loaded the solar profile for that particular site. Okay. And I'll show you how you can do that copy pasting. So I'll just show you exactly how to do it.
In the programs directory.
Yes. So basically, when you install Storlytics, you should see under documents, it will create a Storlytics user files folder. Okay. And you go into that folder, you will see input profiles. If you click there, there is a folder called PV profiles. If you go inside, that's all the files. So these are the files that basically end up, showing when I click this drop down. So you will see any file that is in this folder will be available for you to select from the drop down. Now the question is, how can I modify this for my scenario? So if you open any of this, you will see that it's very simple. You have a timestamp, you have a PV output power in kW, and you have a power factor. So you will get an 8760 profile. You can just copy that and paste it here and then save the file. So in that way, you will have your own PV profile. And then you can come into the program, select that PV profile, and you'll have it in the tool.